Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Hey, man. This is Diani Kenya. We pulled up on the side of the road, talked to some kids on our way to the middle school. You see the kids in the school. You know, this was a beautiful feeling. You know, seeing people that look like you. The love was real. It felt good. It felt genuine. I had to take a picture with them. Come on, man.
All right, look at me. Yeah.
We finally made it to the village where the school is. This was a great experience. It felt so good. Seeing the kids play, seeing them run around, see how they interact with the teachers and stuff like that. It felt good. It took me back to my childhood. I always wanted to go to Kenya to see how it looks for myself and how they teach the kids. And, you know, it was very inspirational. I loved it. We left the middle school. We walked around the village, and I helped the lady pump her water. She uses the water to cook, to clean, to wash her clothes, you know, and it's like America, you know, you never think about things like this.
And it produces those oil.
This was the dope part. I don't know, I can't remember if we was cooking cashews or walnuts, but it was some kind of nut that fell from the tree. And he was showing me how, you know, how to cook the walnuts or the cashews, whatever it was. He was telling me how to cook it and, you know, not to get burnt by the grease because it create grease. This was dope, man. I walked through his house. You know, this was nice. We walked around the village, had a good time. Him and his wife.
Yeah.
Be careful.
You know, it catches automatically.
He was showing me how to crack open the cashews and eat it. You know, this was good, a dope experience. Pretty cool.
This side for the head. Yes, here we make fruits here. Yes. And here, the leg. The first one you can peel here, the backbone. We put it like this, and then we peel here the head. The first one you can peel the head. Yes.
That's the head?
Yeah, this side the head. And then we check the leg.
Okay.
Yes.
Break them down, right?
Yes,
Break
yes.
them down.
Like this.
Oh, nice.
You know? You can peel. The first one you can peel. This is two shells. The black shell and the white shell.
I was struggling to open the cashew, bro. The shit was kind of hot, but, you know, I was trying to open it up.
Okay.
It's warm, it's kind of warm.
Thank you.
Peel.
Oh, it is.
And we out. Until next time, him, the travel guy. Peace.